cannot be changed without changing our thinking. Albert Einstein.
Come on, Sammy, we're going to be late for our flight.
Welcome to British Airways. Where are you traveling to today? To Singapore. We are relocating there. How very exciting. Are you looking forward to a new adventure?
Not at all. I would just stay here in my own with my friends and family. Sammy, please don't be so rude.
I'm so sorry about him. He's hated that idea ever since we have told him. Well, sometimes changes take time. Unfortunately, your flight has been delayed. Please wait in the gate until you have more information. Our flight has just been delayed by 3 hours.
Typical. Can this get any more stressful? Sammy, 2 S's, 1 G. Stop slouching, stop sulking, and get on with it.
These are your passports. Here are your passports, and here are your boarding passes. Have a nice day.
Go away. How do you like a new room, Sammy? I don't want to talk to you, Dad. Oh, I'd like to talk to you. What have you got there? Pictures of James and Charles, who will forget all about me because you moved us all the way across the world to this country, which is too hot and too busy, and I miss my friends and I want to go home. Sammy, it makes me so upset seeing you this unhappy. Please try to be more positive, and this move is already stressful enough. I don't care. I just want things to go back to how they were. Sammy, change is inevitable, and it's what we make of it. Try to get some sleep. It'll be the first day of school tomorrow. Good morning, Sammy. My name is Mr. Marshall. Welcome to the new teacher, Mr. Kent. Hi, Sammy. Welcome to Dover Court. Are you ready to meet your new class? Not really. I just want to go back to my old school with my old friends and my old teacher and my old school uniform. Everything has changed and I don't like it. Give it time, Sammy. There's so much here for you to enjoy. Come and meet your new classmates. Let's see if they can make you feel at home. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Kent.
This is our new student, Sammy. Can we please make sure that we do everything we can to welcome him to our school?
Yes, Mr. Kent.
Great. I'll leave you to introduce yourselves.
Hi, Sammy. My name is Paranita. Where are you from? Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm from I was born in Singapore by Japanese. Me too, I'm Korean. I'm from Singapore. Have you been here before? I'm from Japan. I'm from Japan too. I was born in
Stop! This is too much. I don't want all this change. Who are you?
We are the positivity princesses, of course. And we are here to rescue you from all this negativity.
What do you mean, rescue? I'm fine just the way I am.
I don't think so. I've seen it all before. You should have seen the principal when he first arrived. Not a happy bunny at all. She's right. Look, Sammy, change is inevitable. And sometimes you just have to see it in the good way, rather than the bad. It's the choice, you know. It's all about what you make of it.
You literally sound just like my mom and dad.
That's because parents are often right. And it doesn't hurt to listen to them once in a while.
You don't understand. Nobody does. Everything's changed, and I feel so alone. Albert.
Here, drink this.
What is it?
It's a positivity potion, silly. What else could it be? And it's the only thing you need.
What does it do?
It'll allow you to go back in time and let you look on the bright side of life.
Some things in life are bad. They can really make you mad. Other things just make you scream and rage. When you're chewing on life's gristle, then gumbo, give a whistle. And this will help things turn out for the best. And always look on the bright side. Always look on the bright side of life. If life seems jolly rotten, there's something you've forgotten. And that's to laugh and smile and dance and sing. When you're feeling in the dumps, don't be silly chumps. Just press your lips and whistle, that's the thing. And always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life. Okay, children, thank you enough.
All right, Sammy, are you ready to experience positivity?
Oh well, here goes nothing.
Rivers.
Wait up, Sammy!
Welcome to British Airways. Where are you traveling to today? To Singapore. We are relocating there. Oh, very exciting. Are you looking forward to a new adventure?
Absolutely! We're moving into a condo with a pool. And my school has lots of people from all over the world for me to make friends with.
Just tears of joy. I'm just so proud of him. I am sure you are. Change can be difficult, but to get your head around, you are obviously a very mature young man. That's my boy. I am able to give you a free upgrade to business class. We just got a free upgrade to business class.
That's awesome. Thank you very much.
You are very welcome. Here are your passports, and here are your boarding passes. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye. Come in. How do you like your new room, Sammy? It's awesome, Dad. I would really enjoy making it my own. Good lad. What is in that suitcase? Oh, it's pictures of James and Charles, who they said that they would love to come and visit. Well, once we are settled in and you have gone to school, I can see what I can do. Thanks, Dad. Sammy, I am very proud of how you're taking in this new adventure. You made it nice for everyone by being super duper positive. Try to get some sleep. You have first day of school tomorrow, mister. Okay. Good morning, Sonny. My name is Mr. Marshall. This is your class. I am a new teacher, Miss Kent. have children here from all over the world, including Ireland. Wow, it would be awesome to learn about all their experiences. What a lovely attitude. I can already tell that we are really lucky to have you here. Thank you, Mr. Kent. I have a feeling I'm really going to like this new change. Hi, girls.
Hi, Sammy. Hi, Sammy. How was the experience?
It was awesome. Everyone was so nice to me and it made me feel really good.
Well, people respond well to positivity. Remember, it's okay to feel worried and anxious about change, but it's all about what you make of it.
Thank you, positivity princesses. From now on, I will always strive to face new challenges and changes with positivity.
We can't be afraid of change. You may feel very secure in the pond that you're in, but if you never want to venture out of it, you will never know that there is such thing as an ocean or sea. Holding on to something that is good for you now maybe is the very reason why you don't have something better.